Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Samsung Galaxy S24 users out there. Samsung has just rolled out the official February 2024 software update, and it comes with some interesting improvements and fixes. Stick around as we dive into the details. So, the update you've all been waiting for is here. Samsung's February 2024 software update for the Galaxy S24 phones. According to reports, the update is already available for download in South Korea. It goes by the name firmware version S928 NKSU1AXB5 and includes the February 2024 security patch. Now that's a hefty 5410 megabytes, but it brings some significant changes. It addresses 72 security issues from the previous version and introduces a new feature called the Vividness slider and display settings. This allows users to enhance the color vibrancy of their screens to their liking. The update also focuses on improving camera performance, especially in varying lighting conditions and when zooming in. Now, if you're outside of South Korea and wondering when you can get your hands on this update, don't worry. Samsung has announced that the rollout will begin in February. However, keep in mind that these updates typically roll out in stages, so it might take a bit of time before it reaches everyone. To check if the update is ready for your Galaxy S24, simply go to Settings, then Software Update, and tap on Download and Install. But that's not all. Samsung is really stepping up its game with this update. This will come with a 3-step slider, allowing users to customize the visual experience to their liking. The company is also addressing camera concerns with improvements in zoom capabilities, portrait mode, rear camera video shooting, and more. And for our Galaxy S24 Ultra users, here's some good news. A substantial update is on the horizon, addressing both display and camera issues. This update consists of a 1V security patch and a hefty 4.5G camera enhancement. So get ready for some significant improvements in your device's performance. Facing Android, auto connection issues, Bluetooth bugs, and sound problems with the new Samsung update. Bluetooth frequently disconnects from Galaxy Buds, and reconnecting the Galaxy Watch takes over 10 minutes. Some comments on the forum discussing these issues are reportedly being deleted by Samsung. Users are hoping for prompt acknowledgement and fixes to these problems. A T reporter said their Galaxy S24 Ultra overheats when taking photos. One user wonders if overheating happens right away or over time, noting only display color issues in 2 weeks. Another user mentions panel gap problems, feeling let down compared to their iPhone 15 Pro. 2 users are having problems with their mobile devices. One is experiencing crashes with games like Nick and Pokemon Go, while the other is facing display issues while watching videos on YouTube and Netflix. They're hoping for solutions, with one being told that an update will fix the problem. It shared an experience with the new Galaxy S24 Ultra, citing concerns about the battery and 25-watt wall charger heating up during data transfer from the S23 Ultra. Samsung customer service suggested a return for a refund, highlighting a lack of prior mentions of such issues in YouTube videos. Samsung Galaxy S24. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video. And if you've experienced any issues with your Galaxy S24, let us know in the comments below. As always, stay tuned for more tech updates, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy F55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy F54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy F53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy F52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy S25's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy S25 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy S54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.